me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote upon me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Temmiy. If this is your first time stopping by, where have you been all these years? Like, really, where have you been? Anyways, if this is your first time stopping by, thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Okay, today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this sleek bun. I'm going to show you guys how I made this sleek bun with a $6 braid unit. Yes, it's a braiding unit, and I made it with a $6 braiding unit. And the truth of the matter is that I literally used like 2 products to get my hair this sleek. And did I forget to say I have a 4C natural hair? You know how yucky 4C natural hair is. Yes, so that's what I used to make this, and I hope you guys learn 1 or 2 things. This is a very easy style. It's a style you can just do whenever you know you're tired of wigs, because at this point, if you guys can figure, I'm tired of wigs and I really don't want to braid my hair or put my hair in cornrow and all that. So I just want my hair to breathe a little, and I didn't use any heat for this hair, like no heat whatsoever. If you want to know all the details of this hair, I'll advise you to go into the video and see how I made this hair. And if you want a tutorial on my makeup, because I think my makeup game has changed a little and your girl is looking all buff and cute, you know. Okay, so if you want a little tutorial on my makeup, I might not post it on here, so just follow my Instagram. I'm going to put like a little tutorial on how I made this makeup look on my Instagram, so you guys can actually see how I came about it. Okay, yeah. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and let me know how I did. If you guys will try it, and if you definitely try it, please let me know how it came out. I'd like to see it, please. Thank you guys for watching and always stopping by on the Temmiy channel. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Hey my loves, yeah, this is my natural hair show off time. I'm just going to get all the tools I'm going to use for this hair, from my combs to my braids to my contour leave-in conditioner to my eco styler, because I'm basically going to use my eco styler to gel this hair down. So now I'm just going to brush my hair, comb my hair thoroughly, because 4C hair is a struggle. So I'm like, how are you guys doing this? Please, I need tutorial. So I'm going to take my contour shea butter and I'm just going to moisturize my hair. Like, I'm going to moisturize it properly, massage it very well. And the next thing after this, I'm going to take my eco styler and use my eco styler like to gel my hair down. That's what I'm going to use this eco styler to do. I probably picked this black one because I didn't want any flaky substance on my hair. Am I making sense? Yeah, you guys can see how bald your girl is. Like my head is literally bald, and I feel so bad about this. That's why I've been doing like leave outs this period. So anyways, we're gonna make you walk, bald or no bald, like, you guys know what I'm saying. So I'm just going to like style my hair and put it in the shape I want it to be. That's what I'm literally doing here. All the struggle literally since morning is just to put this in a bun, like just to make a sleeky bun. That's all we're trying to achieve all day. I think I tried a little. It's still kind of shiny, but yes, I'm going to put a durag on it, and the durag is going to like kill the shine a little. Yeah, this is my braid now, and I'm just going to put my braid in 3 equal parts so that I can braid it properly and wrap it around my bun behind. You guys can see this band. That's what I'm going to use to hold it onto my hair. What I'm just going to try and do here is I'll just start braiding the weave. And yeah, I'm just gonna braid it all the way down because there's really nothing much to do. Just braid this like all the way down. But while braiding your hair, there's one tip I actually was unable to get on camera, is make sure you're able to tuck in your own natural hair into the braids so that you don't start having like fly outs all over the place. So yeah, that's what I'm just doing, and I'm just making sure and cross-checking every time that the braids is actually proper. And you might have some difficulties like pulling the braids through because it's a really long one. That's why I have the scissors, and I can cut it and just continue braiding till the end. And you guys are going to see like at the end of the braids, I literally didn't braid like this one till the end. I sectioned it just to get like some curls at the end. You guys just keep watching, you see what I'm saying.
When no one gets hurt, baby, keep it right there. Don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up. We should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus. Don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you.
This is the part I was talking about. So now I've sectioned the hair into 3 different parts, and I'm just going to braid it like into smaller portions so that I can get curls. I'm just going to braid this, then put it inside hot water so that I can get like curls at the tips. I don't want it like just long braid. I think it's going to be kind of boring, so I just implemented like this skill to it. Say hey pro Temmiy. So yeah, that's what I'm just doing here. I'll just leave you guys to watch like the rest of it. I will talk later.
Keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you.
This is the finished look. This is what I came up with. You guys remember how I braided the end just to have like this, because I didn't want to braid it to the end. You guys gonna get what I'm saying? So I had to braid the hand, dip it inside hot water as you guys saw, and I loosened it, and that's how I came about with this. Yes, I'm feeling like I invented something. Okay, yeah, so that's how I came about with it. I would like to stand up and show you guys how long this hair is, or maybe so yeah, this is how long this hair is. I really feel cute in this hair. Like, it looks really gorgeous. Like, your girl did something great and good. So if you like this tutorial, let me know in the comment section below. If you think I look cute with this hair, please let me know in the comment section below, and do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up, share my video, drop a comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not, and I will definitely see you on Sunday. Definitely, Sunday's a date, you know. And need I say, like, before I go, you guys stay safe out there. Like, you know what the world is saying right now. So guys, please stay safe, please. If you don't have to go out, you don't need to go out. Like, it's not necessary. Stay at home and watch Temmiy ass. You get it? Okay, so guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
If you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there. Don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up. We should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus. Don't you make me change my mind. If you love